Hello, this is demonstration 8 using a pillar drill. Right, as always with all the machines, you do need to adhere to safety. Let me just talk about the pillar drill first though. It has an emergency stop button here, and the switch is on the wall over there, and the vertical is off and the horizontal switch direction is on. The pillar drill has a handle that's 3-pronged, and the handle is obviously rotated, and that allows the chuck, which is this section here, to come down into your work. The table can also be adjusted. That can go up and down. This type of pillar drill can be used to drill through wood as well as metal, even though it's in the metal section of the workshop. Today I've got a bit of wood, I've got a bit of dark mahogany wood. As always with your work, you will always mark where you're going to cut or where you're going to drill. So I'm going to just put a little mark here. My work has marked as a cross on my work. And as you see, I've got goggles on, and that's obviously for flying debris or anything that might sort of fly off the machine, which is unlikely if you support it the way you are supposed to. This is a bench vise, a machine vise, and that is used to hold your work down instead of just holding it with your hand, which is unsafe. Right, there are different types of drill bits. There's a flat bit that will be used for obviously drilling a hole first of all, that centre going through first, but you'll also end up with a wider recess according to the width of your flat bit, right? So that will give you quite a wide recess. Your wood drill bit has a sort of point at the end, and it flattens out at the sides there. That's a wood drill bit. And your metal drill bit has more of like a roof point to the top, okay? A flattened roof. And that's a metal one, but you could also use it for wood. But we mainly use it for metal, high tensile steel. So today I'm going to use a flat bit. So you'll put your flat bit in your chuck first of all, remembering to place it as much in the centre as possible, very centre. And then you can check that to see whether it is centre. It doesn't quite look centre, so let me try. That's centre. You can tell whether something's centre if the neck wobbles, then it's not centre. Right. So I fitted my piece of work in my machine vise, and now I can locate it by or move the table up and down according to how far I want to create a hole. On button is green. Locate it as much as possible, working quite slowly.